So everybody, just got back from the audiologist and passed with flying colors, which is good. My hearing is basically in the normal range, as I was told, which is fine. I'm very, very happy about that. And for those that don't know, over the past year, I've had sort of a fullness in this right ear. Apparently, it's caused by Eustachian tube dysfunction caused by acid reflux, kind of coming up in the back and irritating that and causing it to swell and not drain properly, which is causing the fullness. But I've been on medication, been taking some heartburn, omeprazole heartburn medication, as well as some Claritin as well, and some nasal spray. And it's really gotten better, tremendously so. Almost perfect, in fact. And it's something I'm very, very happy about. And like I said, I'm most happy that I didn't have any kind of damage going on or any sort of issues with my hearing. So anyway, peace out and stay tuned.